Yeah, hi guys, welcome to Java Bitcraft. And today in this video, I'm going to talk about the Java for loop. What is the use of for loop? Why we need for loop when we are writing the program, when we are working with the program, and when we are writing some logical questions. Okay, when you are solving some logical questions, and what is the use of for loop? Today I'm going to tell you. Okay, so let's get started. And let me explain you what is the for loop actually. Actually, for loop in Java used when you want to execute a block of code for a specific number of times. I will explain you what is a specific number of times. Okay. Best choice when the number of iteration is known in advance. Like if I am knowing I am going to iterate this for loop 5 times, 10 times, 100 times, 200 times. Okay. In that case, we will be going to use the for loop. Okay. The syntax of the for loop here. Okay. The syntax of for loop is we have to start with for and the parenthesis is started, and the parenthesis we are having three sections. One is initialization section and one is condition section. Another one is update section. And each section is separated with the semicolon as you see here. Okay. And inside the for loop, you can write the code which you want to execute based on the conditions. Okay. So I will explain the better use of the for loop. Okay. When really you have to use the for loop. Suppose you are going to suppose I have one requirement like you have to print the number from 1 to 100. Okay. So if you are not using the for loop, you are gonna end up in writing the 100 sys out. That means 100 system dot out dot println 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 100 times you have to write the same thing. Don't you think this is the waste of time and waste of memory also as memory point of view? So instead of this, if you want to print the number from 1 to 100 or 1 to 5, instead of writing it 100 times this out, you can go for loop. Okay. And I will explain you clearly the each section of the for loop. What is the mean of initialization section? What is the mean of condition sections? And what does the update? So what is the syntax? Can you please tell me? The syntax is for and the parenthesis started. And in the initialization section, actually, we have to define the counter variable. Counter variable is nothing but from where the loop is starting, and in the middle we have the condition section. We have to check the condition. In the update section, each time we have to increment or decrement the count based on our requirement. So here I have the requirement like I want to print the number from 1 to 5. Okay. So our counter variable is int, int I is equal to 1. Okay. I greater than is equal to 5 and I. Okay. So here I'm going to print the number of system dot out dot println of I. Okay. Let's understand the flow, how this for loop is getting executed. Okay. When the first time we are writing the condition here, int I is equal to 1. That means the I value is 1 now. Okay. Till here you are fine. I value is 1. Just check the condition. I greater than is equal to 5. That means 1 is greater than equal to 5 is true. Okay. Is true. So this block of code will get executed. What is the value of I now? I value is 1 right now. Okay. Once it is printed, again it will go for the check. It will update the counter. Counter means I plus plus. What is the current value of I? The current value of I is 1. Okay. Now I plus plus. I plus plus. That means 1 plus plus. 1 plus plus is nothing but equal to, we can say 1 plus 1. What is the value of I now? 2. Okay. 1 minus I minus minus, if it is I minus minus, that means I minus 1. This means 1 minus 1, it will become 0. In our scenario, now I plus plus. What is the value of I now? 2. Again, check for the condition. I greater than is equal to 5. Definitely 2 is greater than is equal to 5. It will print the I value is 2 now. Again, it will go for the counter I plus plus. Now the I value become 3. Okay. It will check the conditions. 3 greater than is equal to 5. Definitely 3 greater than is equal to 5. So it will print the 3. Now the I value become the 4. 4 is greater than equal to 5. Definitely 4. It will print the 4. Now the I value become the 5. So 5 greater than is equal to 5. It's not greater than but equal to 5. Definitely it will print the 5 here. Okay. Now I plus plus. What is I value? I value become 6 now. So 6 greater than equal to 5. This condition is not satisfied. Okay. So it will false. It will return the false. 6 is return the false here. So this will come out of the for loop. So what are the codes are there after for loop? It will execute. Rest of the code will get executed once the loop is completed. Okay. Let's let's have one working example. Okay. Since I am very much familiar with the IDs, IntelliJ IDs, so I am using the IDs here. Okay. If you have IDs in your system, you can use the Eclipse, SPS, whatever you want. If you don't use the ID also, you can write the manual code. Hmm. I will, in the next video, I will tell you the other loops other than for loops, like what are the loops we are regularly using in the Java. Okay, in our programming language, I will explain all the loop one by one. Okay, so here I have created one project called loop. Under loop, I have the SRC folder. Under SRC folder, I have created one resource file. So under resource, I have this details for the reference. Let me create one package here. So from dot Java with graph dot follow. Okay. So let's create one class for loop test. Okay. Okay. To execute this class, we need the main method. So if type the main, it will automatically come here. So let's write the for loop here. For int I is equal to 1 and I greater than is equal to 5 and I plus plus. So I want to print the value of the I. So how can we do that? System dot out dot println of I. Okay. Okay. Let's run this file now. See, you can see the output. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So hope you like this video. So for more videos, please do like and subscribe. In the future, you will be getting the more videos on the loop, like while loop, do while loop, and others. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching this video.